Hi everyone, we are in the session 2 CSS tutorials. In this session I will teach you about CSS colors, borders and backgrounds that we can use these CSS commands in each HTML element. Like this sample that we used CSS color for P and H1 element. Like this sample that we used CSS color or use background color for set whole element color. In the feature page, I will teach you how to use whole background for a page after we practice color elements. So stay with me and don't forget to subscribe to never miss a video. For a background, we can use CSS colors or set the image to our page with simple command background image or use just background dash color. There's a setting command to set background repeat or not. If we don't use background repeat, the default would be repeat. Let's practice into the next chapter. We can set all HTML elements CSS opacity, which is very important in CSS backgrounds. With the CSS opacity, we can set the background transparent level. If you notice, there is a background image in the page with low transparent level that's showing a laptop background, so this is CSS opacity. The default opacity is 1 and 0.5 is the middle of the transparency level. Let's practice them into the next chapter and memorize this opacity. Default is 1. Each element in HTML can have a border like this picture below. They're like solid, double, and other types of borders that we can use it for our HTML elements. Of course, we can set colors for borders. There is short version of set a border whole size and type and color together. If we want to use just border CSS command, we can use border color. But if we want to use hold them together, we can just use border. The first would be the size like 2 pixel, and the second would be the type of the border, and the third is a border color. Let's practice them into the next chapter and see what became.